I want you, Nick, can you explain to me how through Sense and Laundroworks, people can get, what are all the different payment options they can
Yep,
get? And what do you call those different things? How would they request
totally.
those different things?
So let me bring down the products, and I think naturally we'll talk about the integrations and how they work over time. So let's step back and go back to the ethos of like our belief structure, right? So before our existence, you'd have it's almost like little like tribes. You'd have the app only tribes, and you'd walk to that table and tell you why app only is the greatest thing on earth. And then you'd go to the pay it machine tribes, and they would tell you a pay it machine's best. And then you go to loyalty card. And Laundroworks historically has been in that tribe of loyalty only. Something we wanted to do, and I think this is really, really important, is we have an app-based option. We'll talk about that. We have a pay-it machine option. We'll talk about that. We have a loyalty card option. I'll talk about that. So that allows us to someone to come and say, I have a business that looks like this. Your Amelia store, right, looks dramatically different than your other stores. And your stores look different than a store in California, in Southern Texas, in Florida, a one store owner, a 20 store owner, a self-service only, a pickup and delivery only. And I think so the idea is too, is I think when you go to those individual vendors, they go, oh, this is the best thing ever. That's the only product they have to sell. And I think that inherently creates bias. That is my opinion. We as a company want to have an app-based system. We want to have a pay it machine system, a loyalty card system. And the other part is modularity is the idea. And I think your store in Amelia is a great example. And we'll talk about our offerings in a second is you went with one device and then down the road made additional investments that allowed you to expand the system without having to throw out your original devices. And I think when we think about the ecosystem is like, you should be able to make choices that are right for your business today. And you should be able to add to those choices down the road. I don't think there's a world you'd want to subtract, but it's there. And I think that's one of the things that we try to be. So stepping back before we get into the options is we try to have something in every category because different businesses are different. And like we allow the business owner to make choices and it puts us in a better position to consult people. When I have all the options, like say, I have an app, I'm choosing that's not the right solution here, or I have loyalty, it's the right solution here. So that's the ethos on it. So we'll put that starts a dot, dot, dot. So let's start with our top selling product and we'll actually work backwards. So our top selling product, and I mean, by a gigantic margin, I think probably no company in the entire industry in the last 2 years has sold more than we have, is the Laundroworks system, which Oleg and his team invented and we partnered 2 years ago. So that starts with first off, most often removing your change machine and replacing with a kiosk on the wall. And that kiosk is a touch screen that allows you to do debit and credit. It also allows you to cash with the kiosk. Deposit money. It dispenses a loyalty card, which comes custom with your logo, which then allows you to go up to your washer and dryer and allows you to tap your card to start the machine. And that allows you to have a different relationship with your business. That system in any given month, any given year is absolutely by far our top selling system. I think we'll talk about benefits down the road, but that's our number one selling system. Cool. So the second option is some customers will have a coin only washer and dryer and they want to add pay it machine. So we have our penny reader, touchscreen, debit and credit slot. That gets installed on the reader, hit typically next to the coin slot. You can eliminate the coin slot. A lot of people don't. And that allows you to accept credit and debit at the machine. Now, our loyalty kiosk, which shuts the modularity, can be used with this reader. It allows you to basically just tap at the bottom, which is what you have in the Amelia store, or it can be used with this reader, which allows you to do this. The big difference is this allows you to do pay at machine. The other one allows you to only do stored value. There actually is a world where you can implement this reader on a washer or dryer and you use a much smaller kiosk and allows you to do app only payments. A lot of people don't even know we offer that. In the retail laundromat, it is incredibly rarely used. There are other use cases in route, hotels, a multi-unit housing you use much more commonly, but it's actually a product that people realize we don't have. So when people are comparing, I have a product, I could sell you that product, but most successful retail laundromats are not using that product in that environment outside some use cases. So the three products are the loyalty system Laundroworks, the pay it machine penny, and then the mobile only option using the Laundroworks reader, which is incredibly rarely used in the laundromat space.
What
So
about the QR code? We have that too.
Yes. So this reader in particular can have a QR code mounted next to it that allows you to use your phone, scan the QR code, will allow you to go on your phone and pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or credit or debit, and allow you to start the machine that way as well. And obviously tie in with the kiosk, which will the point of sale, which will allow you to remotely start a machine as well. But yeah, that's there. So many options.
But just to be clear, especially now we're seeing the Laundroworks system with the card reader operators adding the mobile payment option to that as well. You don't need a small key. Any kiosk will do actually, right? So it's both loyalty card and our app as well. And it's actually pretty slick. We also kind of pioneered, but we're not using QR code for the Laundroworks app. We're using kind of NFC based technology where you just tap your phone. It's also prepaid, except for instead of reloading your card, you reload your phone, your digital balance on the phone. And so you don't need the card, just tap your phone to that black reader that Nick showed.
So you won't even need like the QR code or even a laundry card. You can literally just do it all on the app and tap your phone.
Yep.
Yeah, you don't need to
NFC.
That is awesome. So you don't have to worry about losing your card. I mean, you have to worry about losing your phone, but hopefully you don't do that.
Sure. Hey, well, if you lose your phone, you get a new one. You load the app. It's the balance is back instantly.
Yeah, as long as you have your account, it's
yeah,
just log
you're
in.
good.
Spoken like a true salesperson.
Totally.